Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bitcoin Core. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open your Bitcoin Core application and then click on create a new wallet in order to sign up. Type in the name of your wallet. If you want to encrypt your wallet, click on Encrypt Wallet and under Advanced option, if you choose Make Blank Wallet, then the wallet will not have private keys or scripts and the private keys and address can be imported or an HD seed can be set at a later time. You can also use Descriptor Wallet for script pub key management. Select your choice and click on Create. Now, you'll need to enter a new passphrase for the wallet. This works as your password, so type in the phrase that you can remember easily. Repeat the new phrase one more time. While creating a password or phrases for your Bitcoin Core, make sure to use 10 or more characters or 8 or more words. If you want to double check your passphrase, click on the Show Passphrase box. This will help you reveal your passphrase. After you're done, click on OK and it says that if you've chosen the Encrypt option while creating an account and you lose your passphrases, then you'll lose all of your Bitcoins as well. Click on Yes in order to encrypt your wallet and click on OK. And that is it. That is how you can sign up for Bitcoin Core. After you're done, you can view your balances from the Overview tab. You can send or receive payments and go through your transactions. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.